Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Venmo, and more specifically, we're going to talk about the Venmo limits. So what are the cash transfer limits for Venmo? Let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Venmo, it is a popular peer-to-peer payment system, and a lot of people use it to split bills at a restaurant, or if you owe somebody something, or if you're buying something, or you need to request money from something, they can send payment through Venmo, and it is a PayPal company. It goes through almost immediately. And if you don't have the app already, I'm going to leave a description link below, so be sure to click there. Or you can easily go to the App Store or Google Play and download it. It's called Venmo, V-E-N-M-O. It's this blue and white app right here. So let me go ahead and open it now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up the Venmo app, and this is the home screen. This goes over just various transactions that other Venmo users have sent recently, but we're not going to worry about that. What you want to do if you want to find out what the Venmo limit is, you want to go ahead and click on these three lines right up here. This will open up a different drop-down menu, so let me go ahead and open that now. Alright, I went ahead and opened up this drop-down menu. And before we go into the limits that Venmo has, just be aware that banking rules change from time to time. So if you're wondering what the Venmo limit is for your account, just be sure to go through this process again, and that way you get the most current information, because this is current as of today, but that could change as early as tomorrow. So if you go to make a transaction larger than what the Venmo limit is, it can be annoying. So what you want to do is, once you're here on this screen, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Get Help with this question mark right here. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. Alright, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this drop down menu happens. And what you want to do next is go ahead and click on Browse our FAQs. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so there you have it. That is the FAQs for Venmo. And what you want to do is, on the search bar right here at the top, you want to go ahead and type in limits. It's easier than go ahead and scrolling through all of these different questions that come up with Venmo. So once again, click right here, and then you want to type in limit. Alright, I went ahead and typed in limit, and go ahead and click enter or search. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so if you're looking for the payment limit to your Venmo account, you want to go ahead and click this top link. It's called Payment Limits. I'm going to click there now. Alright, so this is where all the information is for the Venmo limits for your account. Now again, keep in mind that these can change at any time, and they also depend on what type of account or what other types of account or what other transactions you have with your Venmo account. But generally speaking, it looks like once you open up your Venmo account and before it's been verified with your identity, they have a $299.99 weekly rolling limit applied for all transactions combined. So that's sending and receiving. So you cannot send more than $299.99 per week, per rolling week, if you haven't verified your identity with your Venmo app. I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. Alright, and it's also saying that once your identity has been verified, then your limits for the Venmo account would be increased. So here's the most important one. It says all transactions combined, and that includes sending funds, merchant payments, and Venmo Mastercard purchases combined. If you got a Venmo Mastercard, it's going to be just under $5,000 as a weekly rolling limit. And then here's another one, sending funds. If you're going to be paying somebody, you do have a $2,999.99 weekly rolling limit for sending funds. So that's just under $3,000. So kind of keep that in mind. Now, another thing that's kind of interesting is that many banks allow you to build up a history with them. And once you've done that and your account's in good standing, you can contact them and increase those limits. However, on Venmo, it looks like here at the bottom, they do not allow that. So these types of limits are applied to all different accounts throughout the Venmo system. So even if you've had your account for 5 years and it's in great standing, these limits will still apply. I've never sent that much money through Venmo. It's usually small transactions, so that wouldn't really affect me. I don't see a need to increase that amount. Maybe you do. I'm not sure if people use this app to send large payments. If you know of a situation where that might occur, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But as far as I know, most people use Venmo for small transactions. So that's how you find your Venmo limits on the app. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. And I hope you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.